Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. If you are making homemade broth today, these chicken liver dumplings are honestly non-negotiable. They are soft, full of flavor, and they turn a good soup into great one. Start with cold chicken livers. Clean them well, rinse them, and let them sit in a strainer for a minute to get rid of excess water. Too much water would change the consistency and you would end up needing way more breadcrumbs later. Add peeled garlic. It gives the dumplings a nice savory base, but once they are in the soup, the flavor stays gentle and balanced. Add a small pinch of ground nutmeg. This isn't about making the dumplings taste like nutmeg, it just adds a subtle aroma that works really well with livers. Now add the marjoram. It might look like a lot, but don't worry, liver and marjoram are a perfect match, and this is what gives the dumplings their classic flavor. Add black pepper to taste. I usually go a little heavier here because these dumplings should bring flavor to the soup, not disappear in it. Now add salt. Season the mixture properly. This is what makes sure the dumplings themselves taste good, not just the broth around them. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. This keeps the dumplings lighter and softer instead of dense or heavy. Helps the texture stay tender after cooking, and also rounds out the liver flavor so everything tastes smoother and more balanced. Crack in 2 eggs. It's best to crack them separately first, just to make sure no shells get in. The eggs act like a glue, binding the liver and breadcrumbs together so the dumplings hold their shape but stay soft and light. Now blend everything until completely smooth. You are looking for a silky mixture with no visible pieces. The smoother it is here, the better the dumplings will be later. Transfer the smooth liver mixture into a bowl. Now start adding the breadcrumbs gradually, mixing well after each addition. This step really decides the final texture, so don't rush it. If you add too many breadcrumbs too fast, the mixture can turn heavy and dense. Instead, add a little, mix, then check how it behaves on the spoon. You are looking for a soft mixture that slowly falls off the spoon but doesn't spread. As you can see, I'm adding more breadcrumbs little by little and mixing in between. Every batch is slightly different. Some breadcrumbs absorb more, some less. That's why exact measurements don't always work here. Just the texture, not the numbers. And stop as soon as the mixture feels soft, cohesive and easy to shape. If you have time, let the mixture rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. The breadcrumbs absorb more moisture and shaping gets much easier. Take about 1 teaspoon of the mixture and roll small balls. Lightly wet your hands so the mixture doesn't stick. If they start sticking anyway, just re-wet your hands slightly. A little goes a long way. Make sure your broth is gently bubbling, not rapidly boiling. Carefully drop the dumplings in, placing them next to each other so they cook evenly and don't stick together. Once they are in, don't stir too much, let them set first. Once the dumplings are cooked, they will flow up from the bottom. Give them another minute after they rise and then they are ready to serve. Serve them in your favorite broth and enjoy them hot. You can make a big batch and freeze whatever you don't use for next time. It's such an easy upgrade for any homemade soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share and follow Simple Food Recipes.